A previous video was about how to remove the glass screen protector which is installed using UV cured adhesive. Yes, many say laser screen protector, but in reality, the light used here is ultraviolet light and not laser. Although more than 95% of the viewers liked the video, there were some specific questions and some said that the video was not clear. And after watching it myself, I think it is true that the video lacks details. So I have decided to remake this video, but this time explaining everything clearly and to answer your questions. Welcome to another video. When removing the screen protector, it is better to avoid the use of metal objects, because although most modern phones use tempered glass, which does not get scratched easily, it is still possible to scratch the original screen or the frame during the removal if the metal in the tool used is stronger than the screen. And if your phone uses regular glass, you should definitely not use metal tools during the removal of the screen protector to avoid any damage to the phone. For me, I have two favorite tools to remove the screen protector. The first is dental floss, and the second is a stripe from an aluminum can. They both have advantages and disadvantages. The floss is very easy to prepare and can easily get under a curved glass without damaging anything else. But it can get painful on the hands if the glue is too strong, and it can get easily cut if the glass is broken. The aluminum stripe is thin and strong and works well even if the glue is strong or the protector is broken. But it is a little bit harder to prepare because it's sharp and it can scratch the frame of the phone if not used carefully. So my recommendation is to try with the floss first and then move to a harder tool. Now, before removing the screen protector, I highly recommend applying some tape to prevent the glass from going everywhere in case it breaks during the removal, especially if it is already broken. This glass breaks and chips easily when it is bent. During this step, make sure the tape does not go over the screen protector, because if it sticks to the phone, it will make the process of removal difficult. After that, all we need to do is to separate the screen protector from the original screen. We begin the separation from the corner that is still intact. And you should not lift the protector from the screen perpendicularly, but separate it with parallel motions to the screen so that it does not break. Otherwise, the floss might break, or the screen protector will keep breaking, and it will be much harder to remove. If the glue is way too strong, to the degree that the floss can't move, the aluminum stripe can be used. And if this fails too, we can add some alcohol to weaken the adhesive. And if this fails as well, we can use some heat to melt the adhesive, but I do not recommend this method, because the heat will destroy the audiophobic coating in the original screen and it will catch lots of fingerprints. And yes, the screen of smartphones has an invisible layer that reduces fingerprints. Without it, it will look so dirty. This won't be a big problem if you're going to install a new protector, because it also has this coating. And the removal process should not be rushed. The slower you work, the less likely for the glass to break. And especially when the phone's original screen is broken, you need to work more carefully. If you are thinking of installing a new glass screen protector of this type by yourself, you might find the video I published before helpful. I will leave the link in the video description. If you find this video helpful, click like and subscribe for more videos. And if you have any question or something to add, leave a comment. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.